My name is Crystal Harris. I accept Candy Darden's 2014 Cold Water Challenge. I, in return, challenge Chip Lewis, Wesley Warble, Katie Linder. Who else, Amy? Who else? Katie, Chip, and Wes, yeah.
Bryson, you was covered.
Oh, and Dustin Anderson. Okay.
You ready?
Yep.
Oh God, yes! You know what?
I'm so excited. Get in there.
You gotta sit down.
You gotta face Mama.
Oh, that's cold.
Face
You
Mama.
gotta see the facial expression.
Hello, Wendy, baby.
Oh, you guys tried to drown me. Okay, you get the red button again.